In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download Fall Guys on a Nintendo Switch 2 or the original Nintendo Switch. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is pretty easy to do, but essentially start off on the Switch 2 home screen and just scroll down and select Nintendo eShop on the bottom menu. Select A on it, and then of course choose your user profile. Just keep in mind this does need to be linked to a Switch account, otherwise it will not work. But open up that eShop, wait for it to load, and once you're inside the eShop itself, go over to the left hand side menu and select search or browse over in the, it should be towards the top left, and just enter in the keyword Fall Guys. Once you do that, and even if you just type Fall, it should pop up from the search recommendations. Select it, and then you're able to get to the game homepage where you can go ahead and select free download or download e-card or virtual game card. Essentially select that, and then of course just keep in mind it is free to play, so there's not going to be any cost that you have to pay to download it. And after confirming, just hit the home button and you'll be able to go back to your home screen, and the download progress will show underneath the game icon. If it is paused, select the game, go to download options, and then choose download this software first. Depending on your internet speed, it may take around 10 to 20 minutes. But it really is as simple as that. Just open up the eShop, search for Fall Guys, hit download, and confirm and wait for it to install. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.